Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reset Outlook to default settings. So click on Start and search here REGEDIT. Open the registry editor, click on Yes. Now guys, here firstly backup your registry editor. So click on File and Export all and save it. So if you need, so you can port your registry editor. Event name. Now here guys, you have to expand HK local machine, then software, then expand Microsoft, and here expand Office, then here 16, and here guys you will see some folder like Outlook. Right click on it and delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all its sub keys? Click on yes. Now close and restart your system. So this is the way guys you can reset your Outlook to default settings. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.